Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show to you how did I use Asana in managing and organizing my project. So here I already created a project, which is the MAID IT thesis project. So I have 6 different targets here, and I started first with the conceptualization of the study. What's inside of this are the following. So the collection of RL, the submission of 3 research topics, and the concept of the study for approved topic. For the second item, which is the writing the proposal, so that includes the following, all of this, from introduction down to the finalizing of the proposal. Also, for the third target, which is the consultation with the advisor, so this includes the meeting and the approval from the advisor. And for the fourth item, I actually include the pass the compre or comprehensive examination because the master's journey is actually the project in which my goal is to get that certificate and pass everything. So of course, to achieve the pass the comprehensive examination, you need to complete the academic subjects and then review and then pass the examination. Once you're done with this one, of course, okay, I am expected to proceed the thesis writing. So here in the thesis writing, so I have 6 different subtasks from chapter 1 down to chapter 5, and I include others for other things. So under the introduction, let me show to you the detail. So you'll find here the other content that I'm going to include in the chapter 1. Now, so for the chapter 2, which is the methodology, so all of this. For the results, all of this. For the discussion, all of these subtasks. And for the conclusion recommendation, of course, as is the conclusions and recommendations. And for others, the references, evidences, and other attachments. For the target 6, which is the revision and submission, so I have here the abstract or summary writing, the proofreading, down to the paper submission. So I know that's really important that when you use a project management tool, at least that tool will allow you to automate the schedules for the deadlines. Here, the good thing about here is you can actually set the dates or the due dates for achieving these tasks. So I have here already the due dates, and I prefer to use the list view for managing my project because everything is easy. So I hope you've learned today from this video, and if you want to learn more about project management tool, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.